If you want to activate Gemini on a Motorola Signature, then we have a couple of different ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to simply press and hold the power button. If you press and hold it for like a second or two, you should be able to activate the Gemini, and then you can talk to it quite easily, and then you can get the answer based on your prompt. Besides that, Gemini can also be found in the App Drawer. If you go to the Google folder that is created by default, you should be able to find the Gemini app, so you can open it, and then of course we can either write the prompt. You can also use this plus button in order to attach some files, for example, or you can, for example, activate your microphone or use the live chat in order to communicate with the Gemini and have a conversation with the Gemini. Besides that, another way to activate the Gemini is actually if you use gestures for navigation, because we have something that is called swipe for assistant. You can swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner inwards the phone, just like that, and this also allows you to activate Gemini quite easily. And of course, we can also use a widget. Now, in my case, I don't think I have any widget created, so what we can do is we can go ahead and add a widget on our phone. There we go. Let's search for Gemini, and we can easily add the widget somewhere, for example, on the home screen, let's say over here. You can also make it a little bit bigger if you want to. Maybe let's actually move it to the next page, because why not? Can we make it wider? We can, quite easily. There we go. And as you can see, in one widget we can find a bunch of different options, including just Ask Gemini, or you can immediately start by using one of these shortcuts in here. And that is pretty much it. That's all you have to do in order to activate Gemini. As you can see, there are many different ways to activate it, and you can just choose the one that is most convenient. Leave a like and subscribe.